The AirPods just got maxed out, and I'm so pumped. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never miss another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So today, as you can see, we do have the AirPods Max in the flesh. Or, well, in the plastic. Plastic and stainless steel, actually. Oh, we got a lot to talk about. So I figured, new Apple product, new unboxing video. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to unbox the AirPods Max. First things first, quick look at the box, per usual. Your boy obviously picked the space gray color. There's actually 5 different colors to choose from for colors for the AirPods Max. But I got space gray, that's what they look like. You have that little diagram on the front. Apple logo on the right side, Apple logo on the left side, AirPods Max on the top, model, serial number, information on the bottom, and then on the back, what the AirPods Max look like with their smart case, which looks more like clothing, a bikini top, something like that, more so than a case, but the smart case. And that is it for the box. We have a little starter tab right here. See if I could start this. Oh, I don't know. We're gonna have to be careful with this. Make sure I do it pretty. You only get one shot at this. Oh, it goes the other way. That's why. So without any further ado, the uncellophaning of the AirPods Max. So exciting. Always. Okay, well, that part's done. From here, we will give it a nice little rip off. Oh, that was satisfying. A little bit more cellophane to uncellophane. Okay, we're good. And now the part we've been waiting for, the actual unboxing of the AirPods Max. The AirPods Max, oh, they do look so good. Oh my gosh. They look better than I thought, which I didn't think was possible, but it's possible. And we haven't even fully taken them out yet, so good signs. Take these babies out of the box. Ooh, okay, calm down. Here we go. Wow, pretty heavy actually. Oh my gosh, I don't know if that's because of the case or I don't know, these are diesel. These feel so much heavier than other headphones I'm used to. We'll see what that's all about in just a second. But before we get to the headphones, we do have a little packet of information right here. We will open this up, you will see. Okay, first things first, little quick start welcome guide right there. Always good to have. We'll read that in a few minutes. You also have some AirPods Max safety and handling info. You could read that if you so choose to do so, in a few minutes. And then we do have regulatory compliance information and warranty summary. Okay, lots of information there, lots of things to read, but what we really care about, these things right here. But one last little thing you will see underneath that little packet of information, we do have a USB-C to Lightning cord. You are going to need these to actually charge up your AirPods Max, so we will undo the little, I almost said plastic, paper. Why couldn't I think of that word? Wow. We will undo the paper and you will see we have, this appears to be, okay, a 3-foot USB-C to Lightning cord to actually charge up these puppies. But that is it. That is all that comes in the box. Now we get to, ooh, little more uncellophaning we get to do. We will uncellophane the AirPods Max right now. Ooh, this is interesting. All right, so I guess what we will do is just a nice little reveal like this. If we could do this pretty. Oh, yes, we can, I think. Can we do this prettily? Prettily? Is prettily a word? Pretty-illy? In a pretty way. Here we go. Woohoo! All right, first impressions. The smart case actually looks better than I thought. Still not a huge fan. I think cases are supposed to be more protective than this because this whole spot is exposed, but The case looks better than I thought. It's got this nice, smooth, matte finish, very Apple-esque. We will remove the AirPods Max from their smart case. Woo-hoo! They look so good, they really do. You know, gotta give it to Apple. They know how to design a product, usually. And that's pretty much it for the smart case here, just a case. To be honest, I'm not so sure I'm gonna use this a whole heck of a lot just because it seems kinda, not pointless, but less of a point to use than other fully protecting cases. But regardless, smart case right there. Last little look, okay. Back to the AirPods Max, you will see, oh, it glistens in the light so nicely. If we turn these over, we have little pad covers to remove. Ooh, an Apple AirPods Max ear pad cover. These are kind of unique. I kind of want to save these. Wonder if you could repurpose these in a way. Maybe? Somehow do something with them? But we'll take these, put them away, and here they are. Wow. They feel like a luxury and pricey pair of headphones, I will say that. They're definitely not light. This outer material here, this metal, whew, you could tell that these weren't just meant to be a money grab. Apple did put in the time to design these beautifully, and so far, they are beautiful. But a pair of headphones goes much further than how it looks. What's most important is probably how it sounds. So let's take these babies. First try in my head. Okay, I'm nervous. Okay, I'm ready. Nope. Yes, I am. Okay, here we go. I like them. So right off the bat, I need to do a few adjustments because they are too short on my head with me wearing my BMAC cap. So we're gonna have to do this. Lower them a little bit. Oh, that fits pretty good. Wow. Oh! That noise cancellation is no joke. And you can toggle from noise cancellation to transparency mode. Ooh! You know, usually people don't geek out on transparency mode a whole heck of a lot, but this is some of the best transparency modeness I have ever heard. Wow. Wow. But we will go off of transparency mode and turn active noise cancellation mode on. Did I fool you there? Did I make it seem like we turned active noise cancellation mode on and you couldn't hear me? Did that work? No? Okay. But before we go any further, we actually have to pair the AirPods Max with my iPhone 12 Pro Max. To do that, very simple. We just take the AirPods Pro Max and put them within a couple inches of the iPhone. They literally pop right up. You just gotta click one button, connect, and they're connecting. Woo, and look at that animation. You actually get a little tutorial on the iPhone telling you how to actually use the AirPods Max. Okay, BMAX AirPods Max, ready to test. Let's listen to a little Chrissy Stapleton. Turn it up a little bit. And a little Dave Matthews Band. Ooh. Okay. Initial thoughts. Right off the bat, one of the first things I definitely notice is the level of clarity. There's an incredible amount of clarity, more than I'm used to, which is awesome, but I hope that doesn't take away from a more well-rounded listening experience. The bass is there, you definitely feel and hear the bass, so no complaints there. Not like head rattling bass, but that's good. I don't like that in a pair of headphones. I like just bass that's here and you can slightly feel it. I don't want something that like massages my ear. I don't like that. So in terms of the bass and the clarity, we're working with some good stuff here. However, one thing I noticed, and take all this with a grain of salt, by the way, because this is just my initial thoughts. This could change as I start to listen to these babies more and more over the coming days, weeks, months. But one thing I did notice is that I was already at max volume. That's always a concern to me because if I'm maxing out the volume, that means I should probably have a little bit more volume to work with so I'm not maxing everything out. So, let me just check that one more time. Yeah, I don't know, I'm on max volume and I wish these babies could be a little bit louder. Initial thoughts, just saying. But so far, right out of the box, the sound quality is there. You will not be disappointed with the sound quality, let me put it that way. The computational audio that these headphones have built in definitely seems to be doing its job. Now, I know some people weren't too thrilled with the digital crown. It seems to be fine. It's not really oddly placed, and once you get to know it, it works, it makes sense. I think it's okay. And then you do have another button here for toggling between transparency mode and active noise cancellation mode. That's easy enough. And then you have so many different microphones around the headphones themselves for that active noise cancellation and transparency mode. And then this little pressure top right here, I wasn't so sure about it, but it's awesome. And I love this too right there. These are like built to bend outwards when they're on your head, like a little hinge system there. That's awesome. So solid build quality, solid sound quality so far, but will the build quality and sound quality live up to the BMAC test in the coming minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, all that good stuff? Time will tell, time will tell. But that is the unboxing of the AirPods Max. If you guys are interested in finding out more about the AirPods Max, or just to snag a pair of these puppies for yourself, as always, you guys could head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/AirPods Max, bmac.link/AirPods Max, or as always, there will be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so check that out. And with that having been said, I'm gonna start using these as earmuffs too, I think. That's how stylish they are. Imagine walking around, oh, I like your headphones. Oh, thanks, but no, I'm using them as earmuffs today. That's like the ultimate flex. I will see you guys in my next video. Look at this. I mean, this color combination right here. Oh, you know, Apple, you may be murdering my bank account, but at least I'm doing it in style. Not so sure that's a good excuse, but it is what it is.